Good afternoon, everybody. How's everybody doing on this fine Monday afternoon? Not so fine here as far as the weather goes. We are getting some rain here in Pennsylvania. So let me get into what I got going on for today. All right, this Majorette. Here this is. Sorry, I got to put my readers on so I can see what I'm doing. All right. 911 Carrera S. Has a surfboard, opening features. I've never got one before, so I don't know too much about them other than David from Twice Diecast informed me that they are gaining interest in the States. So I'll contribute to that with this, as it is going to be gifted, and I'll explain how this is going to work. It's rather simple. All right, so we're in the month of June. I say if I can get 100 subscribers by the end of June, the 100th subscriber will get this car. So that's what I'm thinking. So all you got to do is hit like, share, and subscribe. It's that simple, and you could be the winner of this car. No strings attached. I package it, I ship it, I pay for the shipping and handling as long as it's in the continental United States. And that's all there is to it. So whoever the 100th subscriber is, this could be your new piece. All right, so there we have that. So if any of my friends out there wouldn't mind sharing this, I would greatly appreciate that. That would be a big help. And I thank you in advance. Okay, so I'm done showing this Majorette. Again, this is the car that will be won by somebody who makes the 100th subscription on my channel. All right, and as I promised, per video I would open 2 bootlegger M2s. So and last night was a trial and error when I put my phone down, so when I do it this time, hopefully I'll be able to at least have you guys will be able to see cars or something. Let's see how I can do this. So anyway, maybe I'll make it just so you guys can just check out the game piece. What little bit you can see of it. There. Alright, so while you're looking at that and listening to music, I will be cracking open a bootlegger. The one that I am currently opening, don't think this doesn't hurt, because this does hurt. But I figured these are the easiest ones that I can open up and show out of their cases and keep them relatively new looking. That little circle piece of tape holding these things shut is a big help. So what I have here to show you guys is a 1970 Super B Hemi. Again, this car has opening features, doors and hood, and I looked it over and it looked pretty spot on. Alright, so what we got here is another bootlegger. Everything's starting to fall down now. Can't have that happen. Alright, it's bootlegger. Mopar, baby, Mopar. It's a Super B, 1970. I just sorry I can't knock on N2. Again, this is another piece where just from looking at it, it seems as though everything just fits as it should. Again, this satin black is just such a wicked color. I love the chrome trim around this. And what's cool, I forgot to mention yesterday on the cars, on the back windows. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. Let's see, maybe if I lift it. Yeah, they have their bootlegger Windows sticker. I just thought that was cool. You know, if you guys noticed that on either one of the ones that I had shown yesterday. It's just typical fashion of a 1970 Super B. I love the red lines up against the black. And I like the wheels. They're cool. Did somebody say Hemi 426? Dual quads under that thing. And of course, that's what the front end of the 70 looks like. I love the jewel headlights. That adds to the realism of it. I like the bootlegger series. I really do. I just love that satin black. All right, so there's that one. Let me put this one back in its case and I will open up the other one. Sorry, folks. Just enjoy the music. I'll be with you shortly. Just look at that car there. That's the winning game piece. All you have to do is be the 100th subscriber. If I could pronunciate, that would be much better. And what I'm opening here is a 1968 Mustang Cobra Jet. Joe, this is right up your alley, buddy. As I'm sure it was you that did tell me that you were a Mustang fanatic. I know you're a Ford guy. There's got to be a lot of Ford guys out there. All right. Again, this is just another sweet looking little piece. All right. 68 Ford Mustang Cobra Jet in the Bootlegger series. Incidentally, this is the same Mustang, well, same year Mustang that was used in the movie Bullitt. And that I do have that Mustang, and it's green. Let's see, I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not there. It's kind of hard to see. There you go. The Bootlegger window sticker. Just a little added detail, which I find really cool. I think if I were to be given the opportunity to own a Mustang, I would have to say it would have to be somewhere between a 66 and a 68. And more specifically, it has to be a Shelby GT, white with blue stripes. Any one of those 3 years in that color combination, I would love to own, but that's just me. This is so dark, it's hard to really see anything going on in the interior. Plus, I can't open that door all the way because I'm not taking the car off the platform. It's kind of hard to focus on such small areas. I do the best I can here so you guys can see all this detail. There's that beast. So in the movie Bullitt with Steve McQueen, as he's driving his green Mustang, 68 Mustang, he's being chased by a 68 black Charger, and I don't know the legitimacy of the whole movie other than what I've seen on YouTube, and it is said that it is one of the best car chase scenes in movie history. So I watched the whole chase scene up until the Charger blew up, which was a sad sight to see, but evidently they had it coming to them. Where the hell was I even going with that? Other than talking about the movie. Well, I was basically saying how they were saying, they meaning in the movie industry, it was one of the best car chase scenes in movie history. I really beg to differ. It's cool seeing the cars driving through the streets of San Francisco, but outside of that, it wasn't really anything spectacular. One of the best car chase scenes to date for me, I would have to say is Gone in 60 Seconds when he gets Eleanor. That is an excellent chase scene. That is just all around intense. And incidentally, I also like the later version of Gone in 60 Seconds, not the version with Steve McQueen. Nothing against Steve McQueen, but I like the choice of Mustang that they used. It was a 67 custom GT 500 in silver with black stripes. And I have that one as well. You guys will be seeing that eventually. But that's it for these bootleggers. And again, check it out. I'm taking stuff out of the cases. But that's what I got for now. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Monday evening, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Be safe.